Hello everyone. NIO strategic vision targets competition with Huawei, Tesla, and VW, bolstered by government support and innovative infrastructure, ensuring market leadership. NIO game plan is becoming clearer day by day. NIO is positioning itself to compete with Huawei, targeting Tesla with Onvo, and aiming at VW with Firefly. Thanks to the affordability and government support, entering the market for all NIO brands can be challenging yet cost-effective, especially with the support of the Swap Alliance and government policies, which are making NIO a crucial player in the value chain. I am betting on NIO further deep dive into AI and semiconductor spaces, which are integral to energy applications and are giving NIO a different standing globally. Now, I completely agree with this, but a few things I want to add to this are how NIO is focusing on electric infrastructure. So, they are working on grid stabilization, which is earning them some money. This is very important. Besides, swap stations are becoming more convenient than both gas stations and charging stations. So, Swap Station is positioning itself uniquely to become the standard for swapping, and essentially for quick electricity access in the EV age, as petrol pumps phase out completely in the future, which will take time. Alright, we agree on that. But because swap stations are becoming the standard, it will become a big part of NIO. And don't forget to mention, the government of Anhui province, they are set. They have guaranteed that they will build 1,000 charge plus swap stations in the next 2 to 3 years, public ones. Alright, in Anhui province completely. So, this means that you will see thousands of public swap stations. And all of these will be in a strong partnership with NIO and will utilize NIO patents. NIO is becoming like a gas station now. Imagine if you had patents like gas nozzles. And every time a gas station is built, you get a little money, and every time someone pumps gas, you get a little money. How strange is that, right? This is what is going to happen with NIO in the EV age, which can be more important and profitable than selling cars. Actually, think about the person who invented the gas nozzle. Does he have to worry about selling cars? No, not at all. And many people in China are saying that in the future, NIO won't need to sell cars anymore. This is not the core business anymore. The core business will be swap stations. It's quite incredible to think about. This is what people are saying in China. So, there are some things you should keep in mind. NIO is very undervalued without a doubt. We don't need to say that the market cap on Friday closing was $9.96 billion. How crazy is that? Just to understand, assets are worth about $16.5 billion. Some of it is cash too, about $8.1 billion. Of course, there are liabilities too for counterargument. $12.3 billion in liabilities, okay? There are some convertible notes and debt as well. But still, NIO is very undervalued. And you should understand that NIO has nearly 3 times more infrastructure in China compared to Tesla. Alright, NIO has reached nearly 2,300 swap stations. Each swap station is worth about $500,000 value-wise. So then multiply it by 2,000. You have 1 trillion, right? Approximately a little over the price of $1 trillion for swap stations alone. Just swap stations. And then you have even more chargers. So multiply that by 2. We have approximately $20 billion worth of infrastructure. Just infrastructure. If I want to buy NIO infrastructure, I'll have to pay $20 billion, and then you have cash. So just add these two together. Okay. Cash plus the value of swap stations. You're already at $100 billion, which is more than the market cap. This just shows how undervalued NIO stock is right now. Okay. And you're not even counting NIO patents, factory expenses. The cost of a factory might be close to $10 billion combined for both factories, around $600 million for each factory. And you're not even counting that NIO has a lot more things, like inventory cars, and all that is also worth a lot of money. So I can definitely say that shorts are a bit too focused on proving themselves, a bit too anxious. They are shorting the stock more than they should, and they have trapped themselves in a perfect trap, okay? And I believe we will soon see a very interesting short squeeze. Shorts have extended the stock too much. The stock has been sold too much. The price of NIO stock is beyond a reasonable limit. The stock is heavily shorted and very crowded. And I think this is actually a bullish signal because shorts are guaranteed buyers. When the stock inevitably rises, as it won't fall forever, we are below reasonable value. Okay, I think NIO stock should be at least $8 to $10. Okay, in this market condition, if we are a bit more optimistic, then $13 to $15. And I think if next month we get a short squeeze and a big partner comes in, then we can definitely go up to $13. So in my personal opinion, this is a no-brainer. Buying is right, considering the cash amount NIO has. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor. You all make your own decisions. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.